everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the April 2025 HipKits. Today I create a layout using my favorite products from the April kits, the chipboard die cuts, the felt clouds and the puffy stickers. And I'll also use some of our exclusive metal dies. The dreaming of this paper with the clouds is one of my favorite papers in the April kits. For my layout I chose the 6x8 inch paper. If you flip the paper you can see waves instead of clouds, so I cut the paper in two pieces and cut along the lines. Then I lay out the pieces and as you can see it looks like waves. Then I make layered clouds from the second half of the paper. Now I cut a page of light blue cardstock into strips and roll them. I had no blue cardstock left from the April cardstock kit, so I used one from a previous kit. Now I use the Lindy Stem Gang Sassy Sapphire Magicals watercolor powder to make my own blue color spray. I fill a small spray bottle with water, add the powder and mix it. Then I color two pieces of tulle with the spray. While the paint is drying, I glue the paper rolls on a piece of cardstock and then I glue the tulle and the paper rolls on my layout. the waves and the clouds. The piece with the clouds doesn't fit, so I have to cut off a bit. I embellish my photo with a frame which I cut from white cardstock using the April 2025 embroidery hoop metal die. I placed my photo on the layout and add some of the chipboard die cuts from the April embellishment kit, a piece of twine and some of the white felt clouds. I adhere the clouds and attach the ends of the twine with a stapler. Now I add some puffy stickers and 2 more felt clouds. Then I cut out flowers and leaves from the Thrive, Zesty and the Happiness cardstock, all included in the April cardstock kit. I add the flowers to my layout and I also add a paper strip which I cut from the So Amazing paper. Now I punch out small birds from white cardstock and place them on my page. Then I pierce holes and add some hand stitching. finish with a label die cut and Nuvo drops from my stash. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.